In this video, I am going to show you how to make paper transforming ninja star. First, it is in this shape. If you press it like this, it becomes into this shape, and if you press it more, it changes to this shape. So in this video, I am going to show you how to make this, which is starting right now. My name is Sanjay from Salem Art and Craft channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to do crafts and drawings, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Now we'll start doing this craft. First, take a 12 into 12 centimeter square paper. Then fold from here to here. Open it. Then fold from here till this crease. And do the same on this side. Now fold from here till this part. Make sure you align this with the back part. Open it again and do the same on this side. From here to here. Now open it again and you will see an X mark. Then turn it to the other side, fold it like this. Then this part you just push it in and bring these two creases together. Now you will see a line over here, just fold it along this line. Like this you have to fold. Then open it, and this part also you have to open and push this up and then bring these two creases together again. Now you'll get this shape. You have to make 4 of them like this. So take 2 of them first, put one inside the other like this. Then open this part and put this flap inside. You have to put both of them. Then do the same to all the others. Put this here and then push the flap down. I'm using different colors of paper so it will look nice. If you want, you can use different colors or just the same color. Then the last one also you have to just push it in and then fold the flap. Now after you finish this, your ninja star is almost ready. Just fold it properly. Then when you push it, sometimes it will get locked like this. So you have to make sure that both of the flaps on their sides, this one this side and the other one that side. Then after you finish that, your paper transforming ninja star is ready. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more cool crafts like this, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a like and share this video to whoever likes to do crafts, and tell me how this craft is in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.